I'm going to show you a fix for a problem that I've been having, and I know a lot of other people have been having this problem as well because I've seen a lot of posts and blogs about, this particular problem. So, okay, let me just show you what version of software I'm running right now. Okay. I'm obviously hiding my MAC address. So as you can see, it's 5.50 system software. Okay, so now we got that little formality over with. Now we can get down to the details. Okay, I'm just going to show you because it's easier that way. Okay, so I have these games. These are just backups, alright? So, check it out. Sweet. Okay, let's do this. That's it. So you're going to see. Sometimes on some games this could last for about 13 seconds and it'll switch off. On this particular game, it usually just hangs out, and that's what happens. So basically, usually when it turns itself off, the only way to get it back to normal. See, right now I can just hold the button. It goes off. Switches on normal. However, if it switches itself off, you've got to take the battery out of the back. It's a normal battery, no Pandoras, no nothing like that. Okay, you take that out the back, put it back in, and it'll load up as soon as you press the power button. Okay, so you can see that problem. Okay, we'll go to another game because, yep, that's how it is. Okay, we're in. Now over to the computer. What? One-handed. I'm amazing. Okay, so as you can see, there's the folder. That's the PSP. So let's go back out so you can just see the drive, of course. Okay, so let's go into the ISO folder. Now, I'm going to just straight up delete this. Yes, goodbye. There we go, it's gone. Okay, so let me put, I don't know, let's put something like, I don't know, let's go for this one first of all. No, actually, let's go for this one. This will confuse you. Okay, this is a small one, shouldn't take long to copy. Okay. Okay, and that's about done. So let's obviously DC our PSPs. So off of the computer, whoop, all the way down here. Just press obviously cancel. Now let's go over here down to this particular game. Okay, see, here's another problem. When your computer, sometimes the ROM won't even show up on your device. And that means that you need to go back, all the way back. USB connection. This is just this tutorial is going to teach you how to stop most of these faults from happening because obviously I've tried all sorts of different things and I finally figured it out, even though it was just the simplest of things. Okay, so back over to the PC. Okay, now you need to highlight everything. Obviously make a backup, otherwise you will lose everything, and that's just stupid. So let's just delete that off here. In fact, you know what? You don't even have to delete it. I was just going to be quick about it, but screw it. Just go to format straight away. As long as you've got it backed up, you're good to go. Okay, quick format, of course. Let's do this. done. Okay, close that down. Let's open this up again. Okay, blank slate. So let's not that folder, that one there. Might as well just close that down. Okay, so this is our backup. This is our home memory unit. So we want to take that. Damn it. Okay, let me just use the mouse for this. It's so much easier. Take it, and then we drop it onto our PSP folder. Okay, so our backup goes onto our PSP, of course, but sometimes, obviously, a little instruction can help a lot. And the thing is, I used to try and use the ISO loader, but when you're running Prometheus version 4, it doesn't work. It's not designed for that, so don't even bother. If your PSP ROMs aren't loading, then that means it's not the you don't need a loader. It's something else. Like I said, this helped me fix it anyway, so you'll see for yourself. Okay. And so we go to our ISO folder. Let me just drag over that same file. Just that same file. Okay. Dragging it all the way over here. Drop it on. Okay. This tutorial will be over in a few minutes, so don't worry. I'm taking my time because I'm just running you through the whole process of what has to happen here. Okay? And I've done this a million times now, so okay, that's done. So we go back to our PSP, cancel that off. Okay, let's go back to our, nope, not there, games folder. And look, it's there, magically. Amazing. Okay, let's start it up. Still on, you can see all of that. Oh, look, there's life. What's this? Amazing. Is that loading? That's loading. So look, we already know that this is working, but shit, I'll start it up. You can see, it's Street Fighter, it's bad, and it's improved, and it's so small. Okay, so that's loaded up. As you can see, there's no problems. It's running fine, smoothly. So why didn't the other ROM load? Okay, let's just try and put another one on. And this is leading up to the end of the demonstration. So we'll go back here. Hopefully we won't have to reformat, because that would be a pain in the backside. And then I'd probably just have to pause the video and wait for it to redo itself. Okay, back to our PC. Open our folder, go to our ISOs, and then let's just take that off there. Okay, doesn't seem to be too bad. Let's go over here so you can see what ROMs I'm grabbing. This one is Soul Calibur. Yeah, this is an indication that you might need to format. Once it starts taking long to come up, and then it gives you crazy times and estimates, then that means you're probably going to have to format, but we'll see. We'll see. If I have to format, I'll just pause the demonstration, do the format, because I've already told you what I'm going to do, and then I'll put it on there and pick it up from where it should have been. Alright. So this one does take a little while because obviously this is a bigger file. It's a bigger game. So how you doing? Yeah, hopefully this video will help to fix your problem if you're having the same problem I was having, or if you're having a few other problems. I mean, there are videos out there that tell you to do certain things, but from what I've seen, there's no video that tells you about this. I mean, yeah, like I said, it's only a small thing, but believe me, it's one of those things that you could drive yourself mad looking for. If you didn't find it, then you won't understand. You'll be like, it's my firmware. It's something else. I don't know what it is. So yeah, hopefully this is gonna help you, as it helped me. God, I didn't want to carry around all my UMDs, and finally I don't have to because it's actually worked. So, yeah, thanks to the guys who made the Prometheus software as well. It's working great, guys. Now I know what I'm doing. Okay, we're getting to the end of our goddamn copying. This takes so long. Okay, come on. Almost done. 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 Done. Okay, so let's go back to our PSP. If it hasn't grown old and grown into the place where you left it, let's go back to our game folder. And it's gone wrong, so I'll be back. Okay, so we're back, and yeah, this time I formatted just like I said, etc., etc. And if you stuck around, then that means you may be one step closer to finding out how to make these games run. So okay, as you can see, we're here again. Let's go there. There's the Soul Calibur. Look, looking sweet. Same PSP, of course, no changes. When the games don't show up, that means that you need to format straight away. Okay, back your stuff up and then format. And here we go. This is probably one of those games which is going to switch itself off. So let's just give it 13 seconds. We've given it 13 minutes, so let's give it 13 seconds. See if it switches itself off. And there we go. Thank you for once listening to me. And now I can show you what I was talking about earlier on. So you go switch it on. Oh, well, usually the screen will just be black, and then you have to take the battery out, and et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so as you can see, it just didn't start. Now I'm going to explain a bit about this. Okay, some people told you to go to advanced settings and turn the top two options off, and that usually stops the error status code. So that's a good idea. So if you go to your advanced configuration and make sure the top two are off, you won't get the status code error. Okay, now a lot of people have told me to play it with a M33 driver, the Sony NP9660, all of that stuff, but it doesn't really matter.